Well, I've just put out the food for the birds. There's a little blue tit going in to get some stuff. A little cold tit was there a minute ago. You can see a pesky squirrel annoy me. The squirrel keeps on eating what I've thrown down the ground for them. Little blue tit going to go for the coconut shell. There it goes. That is a little cold tit there. Actually, yeah, it's hard to tell that's a cold tit or a great tit. That's you, Squirrel, you've got the nut. Good stuff. Come on. Oh, the wee blue tit's going to have that nut. Wee blue tit had your nut there. Come on. Look, that robin tried to get it as well. Squirrel, you must be able to see that nut. There's a nut right in front of you. Squirrel. Little cold tit there, ready to go into the tray. There we go. The place is coming alive with them now. A little robin down there going to ground feed, and a great tit. Throw that nut for the great tit. See, the great tit comes. No, the squirrel's having it. There we go. Plenty of this squirrel here as well. Come down. Squirrel. Come on. Yeah. There are a couple of nuts there. Look, just search them out. They're there. Make sure you've got one. Okay.